Hi, I'm Dr. S. Jhaveri, founder and CEO of Biomall in Mumbai. So, I'm going to talk about the life sciences industry in general. Life sciences, as the name suggests, it is a science of life, and it is mainly to do with the products that is bettering human life. Now, in the life science industry, we have the R&D, research and development of drugs, pharmaceutical products, the testing of these products, and the clinical trials, and after approval the manufacturing and production of these products, which is then directly fed into the healthcare industry. So the life sciences forms the basic backbone of the healthcare industry. Now we are mainly focused into the R&D part, and in the R&D part basically there are a lot of different products. There is chemicals, microbiology, molecular biology, cell culture, chromatography products, and this itself is $100 billion industry worldwide. And if you look, a typical scientist or a researcher would require all of these products in a timely manner to do any fruitful scientific research and produce results in a timely manner. So, as we just discussed, basically the R&D forms the backbone of the life science industry, and the supplies of all of these products, be it chromatography products or the chemicals or the microbiology, they all have to be done in a timely manner so that the scientists can produce results. And typically most of these products, the high-end products, are imported from countries like USA, Germany, UK and other countries, and then they are imported into India and supplied over here. Long time back, these companies used to appoint a distributor in India, and these distributors would then promote the products, get orders, and place an order to the company in USA or UK, would get the supplies and supply it. Then, as the industry grew, these companies started to set up their shop over here. They had their own marketing and sales people. However, the way the Indian purchase system is there, they still needed to appoint a distributor. In this case, what would happen is a salesperson would go to a scientist or a researcher. They would then ask for which kind of products they require, the scientist, and then after getting an inquiry, they would send a quotation. The buyer would then typically get these quotations from two or three different vendors. They would compare these quotations, and after that, another round of negotiations would happen, and then finally an order is confirmed. Then an indent is generated, a purchase order is generated, and after which the dealer or the supplier would then get this product from the principal company, supply it, and then get paid in 4 to 8 weeks if they are really lucky. So we've seen that this entire purchase sales cycle is anywhere from 7 to 10 weeks, right from when the salesperson enters the lab till he gets paid. So it's a very, very lengthy process, and because of which, typically what is happening currently is by the time an Indian scientist or a researcher gets the product into his lab, somebody in the Western country like US would have already completed their research. So this is a major issue and very critical for the industry. So unless and until we don't solve it, we will continue to lag behind in the research and development part. So as discussed, the market itself is $100 billion market, and because of these inefficiencies in the supply chain, there is a huge opportunity for us to aggregate all of this information onto one platform where the buyer can select from different types of brands that are available, different types of products. On a real-time basis, they can see what kind of offers and discounts are there. Additionally, most of the products, as I said, are being imported from all these other countries. And if you look deeply, a lot of these multinational companies are actually sourcing these products from India and China, and then they are private labeling it and branding it and marketing it so well that typically people will then end up buying these products at a much higher price. So there is an opportunity to showcase these manufacturers onto the platform on one place where they can give these products at a much cheaper price without investing much in the marketing. So there is an opportunity from the buyer side where they can select multiple products in a single platform, and there is an opportunity from a seller side where these small medium sized enterprises who do not have a huge marketing budget can showcase their products, which they can then promote to the worldwide buyers. So there is a big opportunity from both the sides, and that is where basically we can come in. So Biomall initially started as a distributor of life science products and big brands such as Thermo Fisher Scientific, MP Biomedicals, and Eurofins. And after being in the business for around 3 years, they realized that the supply chain is very uh, broken. And me personally, having studied in USA and having completed my PhD in chemistry and chemical biology in USA, I used to order all of these products online and I would get my supplies in 3 days. When I saw that these supplies are taking so much time, we thought that there is an opportunity for us to have an online platform where we can aggregate all of these products and the supply chain can be greatly reduced. So, with that vision in mind, we started a platform called biomall.in, and we initially just started as a comparison portal. But as the e commerce market grew, we converted our platform into an e commerce marketplace where buyers and sellers can buy and sell the products on a real time basis. So currently Biomall has 100,000 plus products from 150 plus brands across 100 plus categories, and we have delivered products to 400 plus cities in India and also exported products to 40 plus countries, which is a really great achievement in itself, because we have been able to showcase a number of Indian manufacturers who had never sold abroad, and we have now exported their products to number of different countries and given them a great global exposure. So in future, we plan to expand this across different categories, bring in a lot more sellers onto our platform, and promote this and market this aggressively across different markets worldwide, so that more and more people can be benefited by the quality manufacturing that is being done in India at very affordable prices, and at the same time help the Indian buyers get the products in a much more timely manner, so that they can do their research productively, efficiently, without any time lags, and be at par with the global scientists worldwide, and help the Indian sellers reach the worldwide market. So that is the aim, and in future we also aim to raise funds so that we can grow this exponentially and benefit millions of buyers and sellers across the